Want to build a stunning WordPress website without spending hours figuring everything out? In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional website using Hostinger AI Kodee, your built-in AI website assistant. Whether you're a beginner, blogger, freelancer, or small business owner, AI Kodee helps you set up WordPress, generate content, customize your site, and get everything running faster than ever. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional WordPress website ready to publish. No coding experience required. So let's get started and build your website the smart way with Hostinger AI Kodee. Now it's time to choose your hosting plan. Hostinger offers 4 different plans, but for most beginners and content creators, I recommend the premium plan, which costs just Rs 125, 10 per month when you choose the 48-month option. This plan gives you everything you need to get started. You can create up to 3 websites, get 20 GB SSD storage, 2 free email accounts for 1 year, and access to 5 AI Vibe coding credits. Compared to the single plan, the premium plan gives you much better value for a small increase in price. It also gives you room to grow if you decide to create another website in the future. Unless you're planning to host dozens of websites or need advanced business features, the RS125 premium plan is the best balance of price, features, and long-term value. So let's select the premium plan and continue with the setup. For the best value, I recommend choosing the 48-month plan. It gives you the lowest monthly price, helping you save significantly compared to shorter billing cycles. If you're serious about building a blog, business website, portfolio, or online store, hosting is a long-term investment. Choosing the 48-month plan means you won't have to worry about renewing your hosting every year, and you'll lock in this discounted price for the next 4 years. The upfront cost is higher, but over the long run, it's the most cost-effective option. So select the 48-month premium plan to maximize your savings and enjoy a hassle-free hosting experience. Now it's time to choose your domain name. If you don't already own a domain, this is the perfect time to register one. For this demonstration, I'll search for travelio.com to show you how to register a new domain. Whenever possible, I recommend choosing a .com domain extension. It's the most popular and widely recognized domain extension in the world, making your website look more professional and easier for people to remember. It's a great choice for blogs, businesses, portfolios, and online stores. When choosing your domain name, keep it short, memorable, easy to spell, and relevant to your brand or niche. Avoid numbers, hyphens, and complicated words as they can make your website harder to remember. If you already own a domain, you don't need to buy another one. In my case, I'll be using my existing domain xcv.digital, for the rest of this tutorial to demonstrate the complete WordPress setup process. So, if you're starting from scratch, go ahead and register your preferred domain. If you already have one, now let's set up your free professional email address. One of the great benefits of hosting a hosting is that it includes free email accounts with your plan for the first year. A professional email like info@yourdomain.com or contact@yourdomain.com helps build trust with your visitors and makes your business look more professional compared to using a free Gmail address. To get started, click Set up free email. Next, choose the email address you want to create. You can use names like info, support, contact, or your own name depending on your needs. Now create a strong password for your email account and click Create. That's it. Your professional email address is now ready to use. You can access your emails directly from the Hostinger email dashboard or connect this email to Gmail, Outlook, or any other email client for a more familiar experience. If you don't want to set up your email right now, that's completely fine. You can always come back later and create it from your Hostinger control panel. For this tutorial, let's finish the setup and continue to the next step. Now that our hosting, domain, and professional email are ready, it's time for the exciting part, building our WordPress website using Hostinger AI Kodee. Click on Create Website and Kodee will guide you through the entire setup process step by step. This makes website creation much easier, especially if you're a beginner. First, Kodee will ask what type of website you want to create. Since we're building a travel website in this tutorial, select Business and Services and click Next. Next, you'll be asked to choose a category. Select Travel Profile Website as it best matches the type of website we're creating. After that, you'll see 2 options for building your website. choose Build with WordPress. WordPress is the world's most popular content management system. It's flexible, beginner friendly, SEO friendly, and gives you access to thousands of free themes and plugins, making it the perfect choice for almost any type of website. Now click Next. Hostinger will now display the domains available in your account. Select the domain where you want to install WordPress. In this tutorial, I'm selecting my existing domain, xcv.digital. Once you've selected your domain, click Continue and the WordPress installation process will begin. This installation may take a few minutes, so don't worry if it doesn't finish immediately. During this time, Hostinger is automatically installing WordPress, configuring your website, setting up the database, and preparing everything in the background. Just be patient and let the process complete without refreshing the page. After WordPress has been installed successfully, Kodee will ask you to describe your website. This is where AI starts doing the heavy lifting. The better your description, the better your website will be. For this tutorial, I'll enter something like create a modern travel website featuring breathtaking destinations, travel guides, photo galleries, blog articles, travel tips, and contact information. Use a clean, elegant design with beautiful travel imagery and easy navigation. Once you've entered your website idea, click Continue, and Kodee will begin generating your website automatically. Next, you'll be asked to choose your website editor. Select Elementor. Elementor is one of the most popular WordPress page builders because it allows you to customize your website using simple drag and drop editing without writing any code. It's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Now, choose your website language. I'll select English, but you can choose any language that matches your audience. Next, enter your brand name. For this demo, I'm using Serin Scenic as my website name. Click Generate Website and let AI work its magic. Within a few minutes, Hostinger AI Kodee will automatically generate a complete website based on your description. You'll notice that it has already created essential pages like the homepage, blog, gallery, categories, and even a newsletter section. If you want additional pages such as About Us, Services, Testimonials, Pricing, or Contact, you can simply select them before continuing. For this tutorial, I'll keep the default pages and move ahead. In the next step, Hostinger will ask for your contact information, including your email address and business details. I'll enter my email address for now, but I'm going to skip filling in the address, phone number, and other business details because these can easily be added or updated later from the WordPress dashboard. Once that's done, click Continue and your AI-generated WordPress website will be ready. As you can see, now we're in the final customization step before publishing our website. First, Hostinger AI gives you the option to customize your website's color palette. You can choose any color that matches your brand identity. For this travel website, I'm selecting a warm brown color scheme, as it gives the site a premium, natural, and elegant look that's perfect for travel and adventure content. If your brand has specific colors, feel free to choose those instead. Remember, you can always change these colors later from your WordPress dashboard, so don't worry about making the perfect choice right now. Next, let's customize the typography. Hostinger lets you choose from several font combinations. I'm going to preview a few different styles, but for this tutorial, I'll stick with DM Sans. It's a clean, modern, and highly readable font that works beautifully across desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. It's also an excellent choice for blogs, business websites, and travel websites. Once you're happy with your colors and fonts, click Finish Customization. Hostinger will now ask if you'd like to install some recommended WordPress plugins. These plugins add extra functionality to your website, such as improving SEO, enhancing security, optimizing performance, creating contact forms, and making website management much easier. In most cases, it's a good idea to install the recommended plugins because they save you time and provide useful features right from the beginning. Another option you'll notice is Make My Site Discoverable by AI. This is completely optional, but it's worth understanding what it does. When enabled, it allows AI-powered search engines and AI assistants to better understand and index your website's content. As more people use AI tools to search for information, enabling this option can help your website become more visible in AI-generated search results and recommendations. If you are creating a public website and want to maximize your online visibility, you can leave this option enabled. However, if your website is private, under development, or you simply don't want AI systems to access your content yet, you can leave it disabled. The choice is entirely your. Now, choose Elementor as your website editor. Elementor is one of the most popular WordPress page builders, allowing you to design and customize your website using a simple drag and drop interface. No coding required. It's perfect for beginners and gives you complete control over your website's layout and design. If you need more advanced widgets, templates, and design features in the future, you can always upgrade to Elementor Pro, but for most beginners, the free version is more than enough to build a beautiful professional website. Now, let's install a new WordPress theme. To do that, go to your WordPress admin dashboard. Then navigate to Appearance and click Themes. Next, click Add New Theme and search for Astra. Once you find it, click Install and then click Activate. So, why am I choosing the Astra theme? Astra is one of the most popular and lightweight WordPress themes available. It's designed for speed, helping your website load faster, which improves both user experience and SEO. It's also fully compatible with Elementor, making it easy to customize every part of your website without any coding. Astra comes with professionally designed starter templates for blogs, business websites, portfolios, e-commerce stores, and many other niches. It's mobile friendly, regularly updated, and trusted by millions of WordPress users around the world. The free version includes everything most beginners need to build a professional website. If you ever need advanced customization options, header and footer builders, or additional design features, you can always upgrade to Astra Pro later. Now let's make a quick customization to our website by changing the logo. To edit your website, go to your WordPress admin dashboard, also known as WP admin. From there, navigate to your website editor and open the site settings or header section where the logo is displayed. Click on the existing logo, then upload your own logo image from your computer. Once it's uploaded, adjust the size and positioning so it fits perfectly in the header. When you're happy with the result, click Publish to save your changes. That's it. Your new logo is now live, and if you refresh your website, you'll see the updated logo immediately. This is how easy it is to personalize your WordPress website using Elementor. As you can see, in just a few clicks, we've created a beautiful travel blog website using Hostinger AI Kodee, all without writing a single line of code. From choosing a hosting plan and domain to installing WordPress, customizing the design, and making your first edits, the entire process is simple and beginner friendly. I hope this step-by-step tutorial has helped you create your own website with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials, AI tools, web hosting guides, and the latest tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy website building!